From complexity to simplicity, we have made maths easy. Welcome to Philemathics series. Subscribe now and let's make mathematics an exciting journey together.
The 10th question of WAEC 2025 OBJ says, Ajoke will be 31 years in X years' time. If Ajoke is 6 years older than Chioma, find the expression for Chioma's present age. This is an interesting question. This is how you want to start. Ajoke will be 31 years in X years' time. Let's say Ajoke's age is A. Let Ajoke's present age be A. So in X years' time, Ajoke will be 31 years. In S years' time, Ajoke plus the S years' time will be 31 years. That means Ajoke's present age is simply 31 minus X. Now, it went on to say, if Ajoke is 6 years older than Chioma, we don't know what Chioma's age is, but what we do know is Ajoke is 6 years older than Chioma. That means Chioma's age is subtracting 6 years from Ajoke's age, because Ajoke is 6 years older than Chioma. So Chioma's age is simply subtract 6 years from Ajoke's age. 31 minus X minus 6. So 31 minus 6 is 25 minus X. So this is what Chioma's present age is, which is A. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share.